Hi guys, today's recipe is lettuce sandwich. It is healthy and with low calorie. Let's start how to do it. Take any kind of lettuce, wash it, dry it and use it. First, we will prepare the green chutney. Take a mixing jar, take 2 chili, half bunch of coriander leaves, quarter bunch of pudina leaves, add 2 pieces of garlic. It is optional. Grind it. The materials required are wheat bread, cucumber slices, tomato slices. You can use butter or peanut butter. Onion slices, salt, tomato ketchup, and green chutney. Tomato ketchup is optional, as well as cheese slices. Then take a bread slice, apply butter. Next, apply green chutney. Now start keeping onion slices, then cucumber, then tomato, then add a pinch of salt. If you want more delicious, you can add cheese slices.